Hi and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Tiki season's right around the corner. It's just a couple months away. Well, technically it's Tiki time all the time. So I want to kind of touch on a few Tiki cocktails, sprinkle them in here and there through my videos. And this is one I've been wanting to do for a couple of years, and I just keep forgetting to do it. This one's called the Bali High. This comes from the Bali High restaurant / tiki bar, whatever you want to call it. It's been called many different things, a restaurant and a tiki bar. The first Mr. Bali High restaurant opened in 1955. And there were several of them throughout the United States. There was one right here in New Orleans, and it closed before the drinking age was where I could go in and have tiki cocktail. So, so that's that. So this tiki cocktail is pretty cool. It's got some coffee flavors in it, which I really like, along with some pineapple and orange. So, but before we get started, if you like the content I'm putting out and you'd like to support me, easiest way to do that is just like my videos, share my videos, comment, and even better, watch a few of my other videos. YouTube likes that. But if you want to do a little bit more, I do have an Amazon store with link will be below. All the sugar-free ingredients that I use, some of the tools, some of the books that I use. Speaking of Beach Bum Berries Remix, we'll be using this today for this cocktail. That'll all be in my Amazon store, and it is affiliate, so it does help me out. Thank you. And lastly is I do have a Patreon account. So if you'd like to support me through Patreon, that's awesome too. At least check it out, see what the options are that are there. Everything from early access to all of my videos, plus some exclusive videos just for Patreon members. So enough of that, let's get started. Like I mentioned, this cocktail is at Mr. Bali High, and it was the signature cocktail of the restaurant, Bali High. So in your small tin, we're gonna go ahead with 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Thank God Dole came out with their light. I love this stuff. 1.5 ounces. And that's gonna be 2.49 grams of carbs. That's where all the carbs are coming from in this drink, or I'd say, most of them. So like I said, with Tiki, if you watch some of my other Tiki videos, I try to keep them around 7, because it is a little harder to do Tiki than just 5 or below. So I know we kind of go to 7 and below for our Tiki cocktails. Next, we can do 1 ounce of some fresh lemon juice, and this is gonna be 2 grams of carbs. And so this is gonna bring this cocktail up to 4.49 grams of carbs. Still under 5. We're still technically under 4.5. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of an allulose simple syrup. 1/2 ounce. 3/4 ounce of a coffee brandy. This is a coffee liqueur that I made. This is my substitute for Kahlua. This is a video I did a couple years ago. The recipe hasn't changed. Super simple, super easy, 0 carbs. So we're gonna do 3/4 ounce. And the easiest way to do this, and a little advanced notice of watching the video, is use your favorite coffee, and whatever you don't drink, make coffee liqueur out of it. That's it. You do 1.5 ounces of a dark Jamaican rum. Let's go ahead and use, any left? Ounce and a half of a dark Jamaican rum. I'll be using a Hamilton Jamaican Pot Still Black. 1.5 ounces. And 1 ounce of a light Puerto Rican rum. Bacardi is a light Puerto Rican rum. I'm just not a fan of it. It's a little sweet vodka is kind of what it is. There's so much better, more flavorful white rums out there. But the recipe does call for a light Puerto Rican rum, so we're gonna just use some Bacardi. Don Q would be a good substitute. Would be a really good substitute. I just don't have any. And I do use Bacardi if I'm mixing it with some water and Answers, just for a quick little throw together little type of drink. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of this. All right, we're gonna fill this with some crushed ice. If you don't have a Lewis bag, you can use a kitchen towel. Some of this is already crushed from my last video. And there we go. And next, we're gonna go ahead and top that off. Give it a good shake. Whenever you're using pineapple juice, it can be a very, very foamy cocktail. Now, the Mr. Bali High is normally served in a Mr. Bali High mug. Don't have them, they're hard to find, and when you do find them, they're usually from other Tiki mug collectors, and they're really expensive, and I'm just not into spending like $150 to $200 on a Tiki mug on something that someone else created years ago. I'd rather spend that money on a local artist who makes Tiki mug like Oak Wash, to be very honest. So the Mr. Bali High mug looks kind of like this, and it's got a face on it. I got a mug with a face on it from Oak Wash. That's the Creature mug. It's got a face on it. So this is, you gotta check out his website. There'll be a link below. He has artifacts, ART-effects. This is supposed to be a concept from an archaeologist finding a mask while searching for the lost city of Atlantis. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how gorgeous that is. The details, gosh, just the details of this is amazing. Omar is such a great artist. So we're just gonna dump that in. Add a little bit more crushed ice to top it off. Oh my God, that smells so good. I just smell already the coffee. Coffee right away hit me in the nose, right away. Next, we'll use a glass straw from Surfside Sips, one of their bamboo Tiki straws. Use a glass straw, save a baby sea turtle. Oh, I can't forget to mention, that is the discount code. When you use discount code LCCG20, you'll get a 20% discount off of your Surfside Sip straws. Let's go ahead to the Mr. Bali High. When you think, I'm gonna mix coffee with pineapple and that's gonna be yummy. Who'd ever thought that'd be a good thing, but it is. God, I love this drink. I love this drink. This is so good. I love anything with pineapple in general, really, be honest with you. I would have never expected, I mean, I've had many of these, but I'm still blown away by how you can put pineapple in coffee and have an amazing freaking drink. Lime and coffee, pineapple, lime and pineapple, yeah. Lime, pineapple, and rum, yeah. Rum and lime, yeah. But rum, lime, pineapple, and coffee? It just works. It just works. That's it for me. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day, because after the Mr. Bali High, I think I'm done for the day. This is video number 5. Yeah, I'm done. See y'all later.